Ken, how about at Treasury? I know there's a lot of stuff you can't talk about, but I'm sure there's a couple things you can talk about in regards to a great use case.
Yeah, absolutely. And to piggyback off of, Sonny's cloud discussion, I alluded to it earlier, but really for us, that's been a
He's going to
monumental.
be the CIO, by the way, that finally gets that cloud
Ex-
100% over the fence there. It's been going on for decades, so hats off to Sonny and his team for that one.
Exactly. It's no secret that, we're housed in an old building that by design presents some challenges from an IT service.
Hmm.
The ability to move some of our architecture and our infrastructure off-prem into the cloud environment has already proved, it's worth its weight in gold from a stability, security, and just an access perspective, and really buying back some of the capacity for a already small team. So, I mean, we've seen tremendous value there. But more importantly, on our mission data side, that was really the first workload that we moved into the cloud environment. And when I'm talking, Treasury's national security data, that extends beyond OIA. We're talking OFAC, FinCEN, and others. Historically, we've been able to kind of unlock those data sets from organization-specific applications and tools and kind of put them in a centralized Treasury national security data environment. We deployed our flagship application, Cache, if you're familiar with it, that is really a cloud-native search and discovery tool, which empowers Treasury's national security employees to access the data they need, that they should and have access to at the point in time they need it, and really has improved our ability to do data analytics and really kind of strengthened our ability to do intelligence analysis. So we're super proud of that. And on the business, process side, we're really inside the red zone on our migration to O365. I
Nice.
think from a IC perspective, while one of the Agile 13s, I think we're one of the community leaders in that migration to O365. So we're really super excited about that. I'm hoping in the next, by Q2 of the next fiscal year, we should be FOC and fully operating in our O365 environment, which will unlock tremendous abilities for our employees that we don't have today, from whether it's teams or just greater stability and access and scalability and movability of our employees around our various locations. So we're super excited about that, and really those are those big muscle movements where our attention is focused on right now.